AIADMK leader KP Muniswamy dares the BJP to field union ministers Nirmala Sitharaman and Dr. S. Jayashankar from any constituency in Tamil Nadu for the upcoming general elections if they indeed believe their support has grown in the state. While speaking during a party event in Krishnagiri, KP Muniswamy said, quote, "I'm asking Annamalai and Prime Minister Modi from this stage. You say your support has grown in Tamil Nadu. There are two union ministers who are from Tamil Nadu, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman and External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jayashankar. Make them contest from any constituency in the state. If the BJP has the guts or the courage and if they believe that Tamil people will support them, make these ministers contest from any constituency in Tamil Nadu. That time, you will know how the Tamil people will teach you a lesson. This is Dravidian land," he says. Listen in to Muniswamy.
அண்ணாமலை கேக்குற பாரத பரம்பரை கேக்குறேன். உங்களுக்கு செல்வாக்கு உயர்ந்திருக்கிறது என்று சொன்னால் இரண்டு மத்திய அமைச்சர் இருக்கிறார்கள். இன்னொருவரும் தமிழ்நாட்டில் பிறந்தவர் வளர்ந்தவர். நிதியமைச்சர் நிர்மலா சீதாராமனும் வெளியுறவுத்துறை அமைச்சர் ஜெய்சங்கர் அவர்களும் தமிழகத்திலே எந்த தொகுதியிலாவது நீங்கள் நிறுத்த வையுங்கள். பாரதிய ஜனதாவுக்கு தைரியம் இருந்தால், தில் இருந்தால், தமிழக மக்கள் நமக்கு வாக்களிப்பார் என்ற நம்பிக்கை இருந்தால் இந்த இரண்டு நிதி அமைச்சர் மற்றும் வெளியுறவுத்துறை அமைச்சரையும் தமிழகத்திலே எந்த தொகுதியிலாவது நிறுத்த வையுங்கள். இந்த தமிழக மக்கள் உங்களுக்கு எப்படி பாடம் புகட்டுவார்கள் என்பதை அப்பொழுது நீங்கள் தெரிந்து கொள்வீர்கள்.
My colleague Shilpa Nair is now joining us for more on this. Shilpa, a challenge there from the AIDMK, a former ally of the BJP, to the BJP, saying that if you think that your presence in Tamil Nadu has increased after K. Annamalai's campaign in the state, then have any one of your two union ministers who hail from the state contest from the state.
Well, that's it, Palmi. In fact, the BJP, of course, believes that it has grown significantly in Tamil Nadu in the last couple of years, especially after Annamalai has taken charge. And this is a direct challenge, that has been raised by AIADMK senior leader KP Muniswamy. He was attending a party event in Krishnagiri yesterday where he spoke, and he, of course, said that if BJP indeed believes that they've grown in Tamil Nadu, then why don't they go ahead and field two of their union ministers Nirmala Sitharaman and Dr. S. Jayashankar, who are from Tamil Nadu, in any of the constituency in the state. He, of course, says that, the BJP was doing election work and groundwork for L. Murugan to contest from the Nilgiris constituencies, but then later, of course, the BJP fielded him as a Rajya Sabha candidate from Madhya Pradesh. He was elected as a Rajya Sabha member. So he asked the BJP themselves know that they, L. Murugan wouldn't have won the elections, and that is the reason why he was, sent to the Rajya Sabha and he was nominated from a state like Madhya Pradesh. So KP Muniswamy, of course, dares and, challenges the BJP to field Nirmala Sitharaman and Dr. S. Jayashankar from any of the constituencies in Tamil Nadu, because he says, this is Dravidian land and people will teach the BJP a lesson and people will make them understand that they have not really, grown in the state. That is what KP Muniswamy, of course, was saying. And even as we speak, there are hectic discussions about whether these two ministers would be given a seat from one of the South Indian states. There is, of course, speculations that Dr. Jayashankar and Nirmala Sitharaman could be given a Lok Sabha seat from one of the southern states. So whether it's going to be Tamil Nadu, that remains to be seen. But this is, of course, a very direct challenge that the AIADMK is, making as far as the BJP is concerned.
Right. Shilpa, stay on with us. Shilpa, of course, they're telling us about the AIADMK's challenge for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Remember, it's been speculated that Nirmala Sitharaman, Finance Minister, and External Affairs Minister S. Jayashankar could be fielded by the Bharatiya Janata Party in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. The AIADMK is saying now have them contest from Tamil Nadu, and let's find out what the people of Tamil Nadu have to say. Okay, so you see those images, of course, of the two union ministers. Remember, the BJP has decided to field a lot of their union ministers who are members of the upper house of parliament, the Rajya Sabha. That includes, of course, Dr. S. Jayashankar, who is a member of parliament from the state of Gujarat, and also Nirmala Sitharaman as well. They've decided that there will be several of these union ministers who will be contesting the Lok Sabha elections. Of course, the first list of the BJP's candidates is still awaited.